Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Hey guys, Justin here. We are working on a 2010 Nissan Maxima today. I'm going to show you guys how to do a valve cover gasket on this car with just basic hand tools. So what we're going to need, you're going to need some oil resistant gasket maker. I got two types of pliers here. I got a 3/8 air ratchet, which is going to help me out, make it faster. You need I got a 1/4 inch drive ratchet with a 5/16 for some clamps, a small flathead screwdriver, a 3/8 drive ratchet with a short weld 10 millimeter, a 10 millimeter wrench, a deep weld 10 millimeter, 3-inch extension, a 12-inch extension, and a big screwdriver. So that's pretty much all you're going to need to do this job. Just remember, be careful with vacuum lines and stuff like that. They're brittle. So we'll get right to it. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. We're going to start with the front. Then we'll take the intake off and get to the back one. You do have to split the intake to get to the back, but we'll go ahead and do the front real quick to show you how quick and simple it really is. We will pretty much need 10 millimeter for everything. We're going to go ahead and get all the electrical disconnected, get it out of the way here so we can remove the coils. Now remember, this stuff a lot of times gets hot, so it gets brittle, so just be very careful with them. Don't break them. Just take your time. They'll come off. And a lot of this stuff here is all brittle, so as you can tell, it's coming right off. So like I said, be very careful with all these electricals. This one's being a pain. There it goes. You want to be very careful with them. Don't want to break nothing. So we will try to take this. Okay. Like I said, 1/4 inch drive for a couple clamps, and this is one of them. That out the way. Should be able to move that enough to get that out of there. Get my daggone. None of that dirt going in the intake or the valve cover when we go to take it off, so just blow it out of there if you got an air compressor. If not, just do the best you can with what you have. We're gonna go ahead and take the coils out. Okay guys, got the front valve cover off. The gaskets down there, it was pretty dry rotted, very bad. It's leaking everywhere on it. So what we got to do here is clean this up really good. Okay, and don't forget guys, there's another gasket right here. So that's another one that we have to make sure that's clean and not leaking. Just make sure everything's nice and clean before you guys go to put this thing back together. New valve cover gasket. What you guys want to do is, this is going to be the front side down here toward the bottom. You actually want to seal this up pretty decent. So we don't want so help hold the gasket in too. We definitely want that there pretty thick, because this is where that bend is, and they always seem to leak right there. Don't have to be too great on the back side. You're just trying to hold the gasket really. But down here on this front side, I would smear some along here. The reason why is these things, as you can tell, the oil sits right here. It's only a 1/4 inch away from it right now. But when it's running, it's actually just laying on it constantly. So if you get that sealed up, won't have no more leak really. Should be good to go. And that's really all I ever do, is put it on the bottom. I mean, you can put it all the way around if you want. Put some back there in that corner and over this ridge. Hold them corners nice. hold these. Hold this in there. Drop right in there. Okay. So that's that. Put in the wrong hole, guys. Started here. Hardest one right here. Almost got the front done, guys. Now I don't snug these with this. I'll use the ratchet to do that. I just get a little pressure, little tightness on them, and then I'll snug them with the ratchet. Snug them with the ratchet here, guys. That way we don't over tighten them.